What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I'm doing another weekend vlog from today. It's Thursday, April 8th, and then I'm actually on my way to LA right now, or Long Beach, to go visit my best friend Stephanie. So I've already been driving for, let me see. So I've already been driving for about 3 hours, and it says I have 2.5 hours left, so I'll be there at around 6:30. So like I said, I'm gonna get there around 6:30. I just went into the gas station and got all these snacks. I already started eating the Yan Yans, and then Flips, Warheads, a Red Bull, and a water. But yeah, so I just got gas. That's the last stop that I need to make before I'm there. The next time I'll probably see you guys, we were supposed to do a bonfire at the beach, but my friend called me and said that it was super windy there, so switch of plans. We're not doing the bonfire. I think we're gonna go get food once I get there, because we're all gonna be hungry, and then I don't know, we'll see what happens from there. I might bring you guys with me, or I might see you guys again way later tonight, but yeah, I'll see you guys later. What's up, you guys? So I'm about 52 minutes away. I'm stuck in LA traffic. We love LA traffic. So I'm so hungry. I'm ready to be there already. This drive doesn't seem like anything anymore because I've done it so many times, but it's not a fun drive at all. But yeah, so I'll probably catch you guys later. I don't know, once again, if I'm going to bring you guys when we go eat, but I'll try to catch up with you guys later tonight, so. Alright, what's up, you guys? So it's day 2. I just finished getting ready. Last night what did we do last night? We didn't do anything. we watched the sunset, and then we came back and watched a movie. I fell asleep. Let me show you guys my friend's room real quick. That's my friend Stephanie. She's getting ready. But this is her room. I love TV. Look at all the plants. And then she has like this extra little room. It's so cute. But yeah, we're about to head out, go get some crepes right now, and then I think we're going to go spend the day in Laguna, so I'll probably bring you guys along with us for that. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. It's currently 9 a.m. and we're on our way to she's packing up the car and getting everything ready for the day. But then we're about to head out to a crepe place she said is really good. It has like savory crepes, and it has sweet crepes. I'm not a huge crepe person, but I bet this place will be hella good, so we're about to head there. subscribe, and comment any new video suggestions that you guys might have for me. Shout out to my friend Steph for having me. I know it was a really quick video, but it was a really quick trip down there. I'm actually on the next trip that you guys are about to see in the next video in Lake Tahoe. But yeah, until then,